Hello everyone, my name is Jason and I'm 28 years old. I live in Thane, and music has always been an important factor in my life. Be it any kind of emotion that I'm feeling, it's always music that is generated, that peace is generated, that particular aggression that helps me and that keeps me alive till today. So, music, again, like I said, it's very important, and that is where Beatpro Academy comes into the picture because not only Beatpro has provided me that right guidance, but it has also helped me mold myself into a better person that I am right now. I remember back in the year 2018 when I started my journey with Beatpro, I was going through a lot of difficulties. Passion was there, of course, but on a personal front, I had lost my parents, and when you're working and you're supporting yourself all by your own, it's very difficult to actually focus on that particular passion because money comes into the forefront. But that is where Beatpro was able to provide that right guidance, was able to it helped me channelize my thoughts into a particular canvas of music. And Mickey has really helped me on that front. He's not only been the right mentor, but he's also helped me in all kind of softwares that I need, in any kind of mentorship that I need on how a particular vocal needs to flow, how particular information has to be entered on the system. If it comes to how a vocal has to sound better in a room environment, how does your music sound on SoundCloud, where do you stream it, all this information, these are information that you can find on YouTube. And a lot of courses, where you offer them like 60,000, 80,000, 1 lakh, they can offer you this information. But the reason why Beat Pro is different is because of a person there called Mickey who really helps you and mold your mindful thoughts into a particular canvas. And that is very important because you need a mentor to and the right guidance, a person who can stay with you to your entire journey of music. And that is something that Mickey was able to provide. So yes, I'm really grateful to that I made the decision of joining Beatpro. And my sounds today on SoundCloud, and I'm able to put my music on YouTube. This is all because of Mickey, and he sees particular guidance. Today, if I need anything, I reach out to my phone. I call up Mickey. He's available, and that is what you need. You need a person who is able to guide you, who is able to coach you, who is able to stay with you to any kind of your problems, who you're able to share your problems with. At the same time, he's the right coach who can guide you because he's gone through the same difficulties himself. And you can go through all the other courses that's available online, but what is most important is that person. And I believe the Beat Pro is the right academy for you and for anyone out there who's looking for that right passion, who's looking to channelize that right passion in the right direction.